Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and I'm trying to get all this in shot actually, but I've got a lovely new deck. It's quite striking. It's called the Tarot of Hearts, and it is by Isabel Hayes. She's an artist, and she's basically, let me just explain it to you. So this is the box, just a standard box there. Beautiful cover, which is obviously one of the cards, assuming that's probably strength. Let's have a look. So she just basically says I think there are, it's the creative arts in all its myriad of forms: dance, music, drama, cinema, and storytelling. So this deck invites you to join the colourful parade of tarot characters who will kindle your heart as they deliver their divinatory messages. Visionary artist Isabel Hayes hand-painted each card following the Rider-Waite system. Oh, we like that. Adding an extra lover's card while displaying her own bold and passionate vision. The 79 card deck, because obviously there are two lovers, pulsates with world rhythms and delivers uniquely imagined stories. Minor arcana are replaced with artist tools, from paintbrushes to piano keys. Give your imagination the freedom to play with the new shades and hues. So that's, I popped that on there. It's just a little box. Little sleeping dog in there. You see him? There we go. Assuming that's a dog. Pop those to one side so we can take. This is a monster of a book. Let me turn those over, otherwise I'm spoiling all the surprises. Huge, absolutely huge. And I'm going to pop the cards to one side. It's a US Games one, as you can see. So you've got within the book, obviously the title of the deck is a combination of two of my favourite words, heart and arts. So she believes it should come from the heart. She's got the traditional Rider-Waite. Makes his grand entrance, bringing along a collage of colourful artistic tricks and treats. So then you have upright and reverse. So she shows you, talks about that. Then you go straight into the cards actually. So you've got the Fool. And this is really nice because she's actually, I like this when they do that, because she's actually given you the details of what's going on in the card as well, and a story behind it. So you see the tarot is very much a story, which is why the book is so thick. So a new odyssey is about to start, which is being interfered with here. I wish they wouldn't do that. I know that it's fun, but it's not really. Can you stop? Yeah, they will. Okay, so then you've got the keywords, and they like to say hello, you see. The keywords, and a nice little phrase. So they've gone back and playing again. So the Magician, so it goes through each and every single card in detail, which is why as I said, the book is a stonking great big read. There's Isabel. Isn't she gorgeous? Okay, then you have just, I think, possibly a little message from, a message from her at the end of it. So, and a card spread. Oh, the heart card spread, very clever. Okay, so that's that. Let's take a look at the cards. Now they've got like a linen texture. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like they are not particularly thick, so they're not overly thick. They're a good deck. You've got almost like a gold, a very dull gold hue to them, so they're not the shiny gold. Very artistic, which is relevant if you think they wouldn't look right, would they, with a modern finish like this? I don't think so anyway. So I think she's done well there. The backs of them all have hearts. So let's have a look, shall we? I like the fact that they're not glossy. Very colourful. I think you're going to like these. So please do let me know what you think in the comments. Two lovers, wasn't there? There we go. You can choose. Much like the Lenormand decks, now you get to choose from 2 male and 2 female. She's very good justice, isn't she? Let me just have a little think about that. The Death. It's nice that it's not too, it's about transformation. There's the naughty devil tempting you to get off your path and to stop being focused. Moon. So yeah, you've got the dogs and you've got, so she's kept the traditional symbology. Blows his horn, wakes people up. And the world. Right, so then you have the wands. Didn't she say that they were different names? Well, these are obviously, oh, but I see she's got the keynotes. I've got it. You can see I haven't actually. Oh, you've got piano keys. And to think that she did, I mean, you can't even imagine. Oh, you've got the Louvre. You can't even imagine. I'm assuming that's a Louvre. The time that it would take somebody to do this, would you? So these are all in the wrong order. So for some reason they are just in the deck. Okay, then we have cups. So the court cards are in the wrong place. And they've all got hearts. Okay, so they're dancing with the heart. Oh. Going back to our childhood. Happy ever after. So then we've got the king and the queen. So the king, the queen, the knight and the page. Normally you would read 10 and then page through, you know what I mean. And the swords. So the swords are the paintbrush. So she's replaced the symbols, not the names of the suits. I've got it. With artists' tools. Yeah. And again, the king, the queen, the knight, and the page. And the final suit is the pentacle. What a lovely deck, isn't it? So vibrant. And I do love the fact, as you know, I'm such a Rider-Waite fan, that I love the fact that they are Rider-Waite based. So there you have the Tarot of Hearts, and a very clever play on words. So hearts. Okay, and there's the box. Right, so I hope that you've enjoyed that. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I do read them and I love to hear what you think. And thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.